Now let's solve this problem. Cos A into cot A divided by 1 minus sin A is equal to 1 plus cosecant A. To solve this problem, first let me write down the LHS. Solution. What is our LHS? LHS is cos A into cot A divided by 1 minus sin A. Cos A into cot A divided by 1 minus sin A. Now let me write down this cos A as it is. Cos A into cot A, we can write it as cos A by sin A, right? Cos A by sin A divided by 1 minus sin A. Now cos A into cos A, what it will become? Cos square A. Cos square A divided by sin A. Divided by sin A whole divided by 1 minus sin A. Now look at this cos square A. We know the trigonometric formula, that is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Therefore, we can write this cos square A as cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A, right? Therefore, this cos square A, I will write it as 1 minus sin square A is equal to, let me continue this side. Cos square A, I will write it as 1 minus sin square A divided by sin A whole divided by 1 minus sin A. Now look at this, 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A, if I write it as 1 square minus sin square A, the value does not change, right? Because 1 square, it is nothing but what? 1. Therefore, 1 minus sin square A, I can write it as 1 square minus sin square A. Now look at this one. It is in the form of A square minus B square. Therefore, we know the formula. A square minus B square is what? A plus B into A minus B. Therefore, this 1 square minus sin square A, we can write it as, in the place of A, what we have? 1. A square means 1 square. A means what? 1. Therefore, 1 plus, in the place of B square, we have sin square A. Therefore, B, what it will become? Sin A. Therefore, it will become 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. Okay? Is equal to 1 minus sin square A. I can write it as 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. Right? 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A divided by sin A whole divided by 1 minus sin A. Whole divided by 1 minus sin A. Now look at this. This is numerator, denominator, and whole divided by. Then it will become numerator. Nothing is in the denominator means we can write it as 1. Right? Now in the numerator you have 1 minus sin A, 1 minus sin A. Therefore both it will get cancelled. Then what is left? 1 plus sin A divided by sin A 1 plus sin A divided by sin A whole divided by 1 by 1 whole divided by 1 by 1. See here 1 by 1 no need to write because it is nothing but 1. Therefore, I will write it as 1 plus sin A divided by sin A. See here, I am doing in detail. You can skip these terms, okay? If you are good at mathematics, you can skip these. Now, 1 plus sin A divided by sin A. You can split this, right? Means what? You can write it as 1 by sin A plus sin A by sin A. Sin A by sin A. Now 1 by sin A, it is what? Cosecant A. Cosecant A plus sin A by sin A, it will get cancelled and it will become 1. Cosecant A plus 1, we can write it as 1 plus cosecant A because the value does not change. 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1, both are same. In the same way, cosecant A plus 1, we can write it as 1 plus cosecant A, right? 1 plus cosecant A. That is what our RHS. We proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.